Ellie Wilson here with Map Your Healing Journey. Take your life from surviving to thriving. Today we are talking about how to make it through tough times. Tough times are hard and we typically don't like them, but they are excellent opportunities to build skills. And the skill I'm talking about today is to learn how to regulate your nervous system. So, first we got to talk about emotions and feelings. Emotions are the physical sensations, the things that our body senses when something happens. Feelings are the names that we put to those, the meaning that we make from those physical sensations. So, to regulate your nervous system, one of the first things you need to do is to start building awareness of the physical sensations as they're happening. And one of the easiest ways to do this is to notice when you feel hungry and to notice when you need to go to the bathroom. Because those are, especially for women, and especially if you're neurospicy at all, those are easy ones to shove down, repress, however you want to put it. So, to start becoming aware of our bodies, start noticing when you're hungry, start noticing when you need to go to the bathroom, and then build on that skill. So, every time something happens and you feel something, instead of pushing it away, just notice it. You don't need to do anything about it, like change it or anything, but just like, oh, that didn't feel good. You don't even need to put a name to it, or, oh, that feels really fun. So maybe that's easier to name. So as you are building awareness, just as sensations happen, then you'll start being able to kind of pick them apart a little bit, and not in a bad way, but just making some meaning out of them. So one good resource to do this is Gottman's feeling wheel, and that will help you to put names to those physical sensations. So, the top four are happy, sad, scared, and mad. So if you don't know what the physical sensation stands for, what the feeling is, start with the top four and go from there. If you would like to go from there, maybe you just want to keep them in those four categories. So, okay, so physical sensations, making the meanings from them, so naming the feelings, and then that's where the pause happens. Just pause. Don't shove it away. Don't lean into it. Don't try to fix it. Just sit with it for a minute. And if you're anything like me, it's going to be uncomfortable. And that's okay, because it's only uncomfortable because you haven't been doing it. And once you start sitting with what is coming up for you, what the physical sensations are, as you name them, as you acknowledge them, as you build in that pause, then you can do something else with them. Then you can make decisions. Whether that decision is, I need to take a minute and be by myself, or I need to have this conversation, or whatever. But it's, oh, hello, Blue Jay. But it's an opportunity for you to be able to regulate. You can't regulate what you don't notice. So, first thing is noticing what's happening in your body and in your nervous system. And we'll get to the rest in a different video.